Yeah, some of the Igbo historians who told us that this and this is not the proper practice of the Igbo people are also seen in those practice, they condemned. You're welcome back to Straight Reports on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifanshku Gregory as a number the force, and our discussion is not just about that word, the agreement. We are also looking at the proposed bill of the Senate, to make Abuja landlords to make them collect monthly the salary, the house rents like they collect from their tenants, to make them collect it monthly. So, and I believe that everyone listening to me now is very smart to have a proper thing to say about these two topics, like these two issues now. That of the agreement, if you understand as an Igbo, if you are an Igbo adult who do understand, and then that of the house rent monthly. So the numbers to call to become part of this conversation are 08063599866 or 08096661035 or 08094441035. Your opinion matters a lot. But as I await your input, let's continue with the Igbo adults who can explain the word agrim without telling the younger audience what we are talking about. It is censored edition of Street Report on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. So it's an Igbo, Imalo, you are an Igbo adult. And call us now and explain if you understand the word agrim, without the historical meaning of that word agrim pertaining to the Igbo culture, without using any vulgar word. The numbers to call already, and then being that the report we gave you today is reflecting on the history of the Igbo people. That's why we are talking about this, but that will not stop us also to discuss other challenges that we have as a people. So we are now also talking about that house rent, that the Senate is now proposing, the bill, that house rent, the fact that they want landlords, like Abuja landlords now, that's where the bill is focused on, to get them to collect monthly, the rent that they collect monthly, like instead of annually, like everybody else does. So as I wait your input, let me now give you that report that is talking about what the Senate is doing based on that.